Making money is trading involves survival struggles and principles. Here are the some key steps. Evolution. Understand make market fundamental technical analysis and trading struggles considering talking course or reading books on trading research. Stay informed about the market you trade in, following economics news, company earning reports, and other elements data. Develop a strategy, create a trading plan that include entry and exit criteria, risks management, result and specific goals. Risk management use tools like stop loss orders to limit professional losses. Never risk more than you can afford to lose on a struggle trade. Spread your investment across different access to reduce risks. Practices with a demo account. Use a demo trading account to practice without risking real money. Keep emotional in check. Stick to your trading plan and avoid making decision because on emotions or making hype. Regularly reviews your trading performance to learn from your success and mistakes. Continually monitor market condition and adjust your struggle as need. Being with a small amount of money and increase your investment as you can again experience and confidence. Always remember that trading influence risks and those know graduated how do you make money.